V. In the early days of spirit detective work, we were led to believe that a few powerful demons were the greatest threat to humanity. But as the veil was lifted, we discovered a terrifying truth. The monsters we fought were barely the bottom of the food chain. This is the hidden lore of YuYu Hakusho's demon world, a realms governed by a power scale so vast it dwarfs human comprehension. Today, we break down the spiritual biology of Reiki and Youki, the mechanics of the Kekkai Barrier, and the absolute nightmare of the S-class hierarchy. The duality of energy. Reiki vs. Youki, the foundation of all power in this universe, is spiritual energy. But it manifests in two distinct opposing forms. Reiki, spirit energy. The energy of humans, psychics, and the denizens of spirit world. 2. It is often depicted as blue or white, representing life and order. Reiki is versatile, used for healing as often as it is for destruction. Youki, demon energy, the raw, often violet or dark energy of the Makai. Unlike Reiki, Youki is inherently predatory. It is fueled by survival and the consumption of other life forms. The more their Youki compresses, eventually reaching a level of density that can melt ordinary objects just by being released. The hierarchy of power. From E to S, spirit world maintains a strict classification system to track threats. This isn't just a ranking. It represents a logarithmic leap in power. Lower classes E to C. These are the demons that occasionally slip into the human world. B-class, the upper limit of what spirit world can comfortably control. A B-class demon, like the younger Toguro, is essentially a god among men, capable of destroying entire armies. A-class, these are the elite spirits. World's Special Defense Squad is comprised of A-class fighters. They are the gatekeepers of the human world. Ace-class, the god tier. This class has no upper limit. An East-class demon is so powerful that even their presence could destabilize the human realm. Spirit world feared them so much, they created the Kekkai Barrier spiritual net designed specifically to keep anyone above a class trapped in the demon world. The geography of terror. The Makai, the demon world, isn't just a cave or a dark forest. It is a multi-layered dimension of extreme environments. The deeper you go, the more the air itself becomes saturated with Youki. The lowest levels are ruled by the three kings, Raizen, Mukuro, and Yomi. These S-class entities represent the pinnacle of demon evolution. Their power is so great that they maintained a stalemate for centuries, essentially preventing the total destruction of all worlds, simply because they balanced each other out. To an S-class king, a B-class demon is like an insect. This scale of power is the ultimate lore revelation of the series. Humanity only survived because the strongest demons simply were uninterested in a world so fragile. The sacred barrier. The price of peace. The only reason the human world exists is the Kekkai Barrier. This golden web of energy acts as a filter, allowing weak spirits to pass, but blocking high-density Youki. However, the lore reveals a darker side to this protection. Spirit World kept the existence of S-class demons a secret to maintain their own authority. They played the role of saviors by stopping C-class threats, while knowing full well that if the barrier ever truly fell, the spirit world itself would be the first to burn. YuYu Hakusho's lore is a masterclass in world building, showing us that there is always a bigger fish in the dark. The S-class wasn't just a power level. It was a symbol of the untamable, chaotic nature of the universe. If you were a demon, which power class would you realistically fall into? And do you think Spirit World was right to hide the truth about the S-class from humanity? Share your theories in the comments below. For more deep dives into the classics, like and subscribe to Anime Lore Nexus.